Hello all, today we are going to learn the new chapter. Hello all, today we are going to learn the new chapter of biochemistry, that is the carbohydrates. So this is the second chapter of biochemistry. So what is meant by carbohydrates? Okay, so carbohydrates are hello friends, today we are Hello all, today we are going to learn the new chapter of biochemistry, second chapter, that is name is carbohydrates. Okay, so point wise we are going to learn this chapter. So what is meant by carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are basically the carbohydrates are the polyhydroxy aldehyde or ketone. Polyhydroxy aldehyde or ketone or compounds derived from hydrolysis. Okay, so this is the definition of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are basically the polyhydroxy aldehyde or ketone or compounds which are derived from these having the hydrolysis process. After the hydrolysis of these polyhydroxy aldehyde or ketone, the product derived is also known as the carbohydrates. Okay, so the general formula for carbohydrate is CnH2ON. This is the general formula for the carbohydrates. Okay, CnH2ON. अच्छी तरह से अगर लिखा मैंने, then this is the formula CnH2ON. This is in a bracket. So what is the N? N indicates number of carbon atom. Okay, so this N indicates number of carbon atoms. Carbohydrates are the major source of energy. We know that carbohydrates is present in our daily food, daily nutritional diet. Okay, so the next point is classification of carbohydrates. Classification of carbohydrates. Basically carbohydrates are classified into two types. Okay, so first one is on the basis of solubility. So depending upon solubility, here water is used for the solubility purpose, and those carbohydrates which are soluble in water are classified into having first type, that is soluble carbohydrates. Okay, so those carbohydrates which are soluble in nature are classified into soluble carbohydrates, and the second type of the solubility basis is the non-soluble carbohydrates. Non-soluble carbohydrates. So these soluble carbohydrates are those carbohydrates which are soluble in water. Okay, so these are simple carbohydrates. These are simple in nature and soluble in water. Okay, so depending upon this, these are again classified into first type is reducing sugar and second type is non-reducing sugar. These are the two types of soluble carbohydrate classification. So the examples of reducing sugar are glucose, fructose, okay, maltose, and non-reducing sugar examples are sucrose. These are the non-reducing carbohydrates. Okay, so what are the insoluble or non-soluble carbohydrates? So non-soluble carbohydrates are also known as insoluble carbohydrates. Okay, so insoluble carbohydrates are those carbohydrates which are insoluble in water, and these are called as polysaccharides. These are polysaccharides. And the example of these is starch, glycogen, cellulose, and dextrin. Okay, so this is the classification depending on the basis on solubility. So carbohydrates firstly classified depending upon the solubility are soluble carbohydrates, which are simple in nature and soluble in water. Okay, so the types of soluble carbohydrates are reducing carbohydrates or reducing sugar, and non-reducing carbohydrate or non-reducing sugar. So example of reducing carbohydrates are glucose, fructose, maltose, and non-reducing carbohydrates example is sucrose. Now this second category on the basis of solubility is insoluble carbohydrates or non-soluble carbohydrates. These are polysaccharides in nature, and examples are starch, glycogen, cellulose, dextrin. Okay, so the second type is on the basis of chemical nature. Now second type is on the basis of chemical nature. So on the basis of chemical nature, these type of carbohydrates are classified into two main groups. First one is the sugar carbohydrates, and second type is the non-sugar carbohydrates. Okay, first type is the sugar carbohydrates, second type is the non-sugar carbohydrates. So sugar carbohydrates are again further classified into three types. First one is the mono, second one is the di, and third one is the oligo. Okay, monosaccharide, disaccharide, and oligosaccharide. These are the examples of sugar carbohydrates, and non-sugar carbohydrates are polysaccharides. Okay, so depending on the basis of chemical nature, carbohydrates are mainly classified into two main groups: sugar carbohydrates and non-sugar carbohydrates. Sugar carbohydrates are again classified into three types: monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides, and non-sugar carbohydrates are classified into polysaccharides. Okay, these non-sugar carbohydrates are also called as polysaccharides. So we will see one by one what is meant by mono, what is meant by di, and what is meant by oligosaccharides. So let's see. First one is the monosaccharides. So what is meant by monosaccharides? Monosaccharides are those carbohydrates which are simplest carbohydrates and cannot be hydrolyzed. Okay, these are the simplest form and cannot further hydrolyzed. The formula or the general formula for monosaccharide is CH2O bracket N. N is indicates number of carbon atom. Examples are glucose, fructose, galactose. These are the examples of monosaccharides: glucose, fructose and galactose. Depending on the nature of carbon atoms present, okay? Depending on the natures of carbon atoms present in the structure of these or the aldehyde and ketone groups present, these are further divided into various types. So monosaccharides are depending upon number of carbon. Here I will draw the table form, okay, so you will understand better. So number of carbon atoms, ठीक है, इसमें मैं लिखूंगी कार्बन एटम्स के नंबर, उसके हिसाब से यहाँ पे लिखूंगी उसका केमिकल नेम, ओके। उस केमिकल नेम की बात मैं लिखूंगी उसके अल्डिहाइड और कीटोस फॉर्म, ठीक है। सो इस फॉर्मेट में मैं इसका फर्दर क्लासिफिकेशन लिखूंगी। सबसे पहले आएगा नेम, सबसे पहले आएगा नंबर ऑफ कार्बन आइटम्स, ठीक है। सो अगर 3 कार्बन आइटम्स रहे सो उसका नेम आएगा ट्रायोजेस, ट्राई मीन्स 3, ओके। अगर 4 कार्बन आइटम आए तो उसका नेम आएगा टेट्रोजेस, ठीक है। अगर 5 कार्बन आइटम्स प्रेजेंट है तो उसका नाम रहेगा पेंटोजेस। अगर 6 प्रेजेंट है कार्बन आइटम्स तो उसका नाम रहेगा हेक्सोजेस, okay. So trio means 3, tetro means 4, pento means 5 and hexo means 6. So these are the carbon atoms present in the structure and depending upon the number of carbon atoms names are given. So अगर ये aldehyde, अगर ये structure 3 carbon atom का contains aldehyde group then it is called as glyceraldehyde, ओके। अगर स्ट्रक्चर 3 कार्बन आइटम का है और उसमें CHO यानी कि अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है देन इट इज़ द ग्लिसर अल्डिहाइड, ओके। और अगर कीटो ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है तो देन वी विल सी इट डाईहाइड्रोक्सी एसीटोन, डाईहाइड्रोक्सी एसीटोन, ओके। देन अगर टेट्रोजेस यानी कि 4 कार्बन आइटम का स्ट्रक्चर है कार्बोहाइड्रेट का then it is always be called as erythrose, okay. And in ketose form it is called as erythrulose, 5 कार्बन आइटम्स कंटेन होगा तो इसको कहेंगे हम राइबोस, यहाँ पे राइबुलोज। देन अगर 6 कार्बन आइटम्स प्रेजेंट है कार्बोहाइड्रेट के स्ट्रक्चर में देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज ग्लूकोज, और अगर उसमें कीटोस फॉर्म प्रेजेंट है देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज फ्रुक्टोज, ठीक है। सो दिस इज द फर्दर डिवीजन ऑफ द मोनोसैकेराइड्स। अब देखो मैं फिर से समझाती हूँ। मोनोसैकेराइड्स क्या है? simplest form which cannot be further on hydrolysis, ठीक है। this is the general formula for monosaccharides CH2O bracket N. examples of monosaccharides are glucose, fructose, galactose, ठीक है। so these monosaccharides are again further divided depending upon the number of carbon atoms present and containing aldehyde or ketone group, okay. so these are named differently. so if there is 3 carbon atoms are present in carbohydrate structure then it is called as trioses, okay. अब देखो, अब 3 कार्बन आइटम का स्ट्रक्चर है वहाँ पे ट्रायोस प्रेजेंट है, ठीक है, उसको हम ट्रायोजेस कहेंगे। मगर इसमें अगर अल्डिहाइड यानी कि CHO ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होगा तो वो रहेगा ग्लिसरल्डिहाइड। अगर उसमें C डबल बॉन्ड O ग्रुप रहेगा यानी कि कीटोन ग्रुप रहेगा तो उसको हम कहेंगे डाईहाइड्रोक्सी एसीटोन। सो ट्रायोजेस का एग्जाम्पल अल्डिहाइड के लिए ग्लिसरल्डिहाइड होगा, कीटोस के लिए डाईहाइड्रोक्सी एसीटोन। 4 अगर रहा तो टेट्रोजेस, 5th के लिए पेंटोजेस, 6 के लिए हेक्सोजेस। दिस आर द अल्डिहाइड containing carbon atom structure These are the ketone group containing carbohydrate structure. Okay, so these carbohydrate moieties which contains aldehyde or keto group are known as aldoses or ketosis. So second one is the disaccharides.